This shows there is a lot of squabbles within the Congress. They are not able to find the right person for the chief ministership. So I think this reflects the malaise in the Congress, the disease which is there afflicting the Congress. I think the entire country is, I won't say surprised. We knew this would happen. Even if they win, even if the UDF wins in Kerala, they would not be able to form the government so very easily because there are so many contestants and there is no unity, there is no leadership within the Congress. So I think this is for all to see what the Congress is all about.
My last question, ma'am. Shashi Tharoor has made a statement that due to SIR, the West Bengal seat has gone to BJP and it's Kerala to Congress.
Very unfortunate. I mean, I don't expect this from a mature politician like Shashi Tharoor ji. In fact, we were one West Bengal. There were two reasons behind it. Number one, the TMC was not doing well. The governance had declined. And there was a lot of corruption there. There was a lot of insecurity for everybody. And, of course, the youth of the state were not finding employment. And that is why this was an expression of the general discontentment and anger of the people of West Bengal. And that is why they came to the good governance model of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I will say it's the people of West Bengal who have dethroned Mamata Banerjee ji. And they chose Prime Minister Modi's governance model. So I think they want a lot of employment there. In fact, there'll be more of investment in the state of West Bengal in the days to come. You will see there'll be more number of industry established, and the women will definitely feel safe. They would be moving around with absolutely no sense of fear, and I think there would be no corruption or very less corruption, whatever. I mean, we would definitely like no corruption. So I think we are moving towards the best governance model which has been given to 21 NDA states by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji in the state of West Bengal.
Thank you.